In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable original sound for musicians. If you play, sing, or produce audio and want your audience to hear the natural tone of your instrument without aggressive noise reduction, this setting is essential. It preserves the richness and dynamics of your sound so it isn't flattened or filtered by typical voice optimization features. Start by opening your app's settings. The quickest way to get there is to click your profile picture in the top corner of the app window and choose settings from the menu that appears. This takes you to the main control center where you can fine-tune how your calls and audio behave. If you don't immediately see your profile picture, look for a small avatar or a gear icon in the same area. Both lead to the same settings panel. Taking a moment to open settings from here ensures the changes you make will apply to all your meetings, not just a single session. Next, head to the Audio tab. This is where the app manages microphones, speakers, and processing. You'll typically see your selected microphone and speaker, a level meter, and a few audio preferences. The Audio tab is designed for clarity, so you can quickly confirm which mic is active and how the app is handling your sound. Staying in this section keeps your workflow simple and keeps all audio-related options in one place. Finally, look for microphone modes and select Original Sound for Musicians. Picking this mode tells the app to minimize voice-oriented processing, things like strong noise suppression or automatic leveling, so your instrument's full frequency range and dynamics are preserved. That means strums, bow noise, fingerstyle detail, cymbal shimmer, and vocal nuances come through more naturally. It's a great choice for live performances, lessons, rehearsals, or any situation where tone and articulation matter. A few quick tips to get the best results with original sound for musicians. Use a decent microphone and place it thoughtfully. About a forearm's length away is a good starting point for many instruments. Watch your input level so it doesn't clip. Aim for healthy peaks without hitting the red. If possible, wear headphones to prevent sound from looping back into the mic, and try to play in a quiet space to reduce stray noises that this mode intentionally won't remove. That's it. Open settings from your profile picture, go to the Audio tab, and choose Original Sound for musicians under microphone modes. With this enabled, your audience will hear the performance you intended. Thanks for watching and enjoy your improved sound.